Let's see. Welcome back. New episode of Simple Builds with you. I got Matt over here with his 2020 Honda Civic Type Q. Awesome. And right now we're getting some hood vents put on. Nobody has done this. This is the first time that anyone will be putting hood vents like this on 2020 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's a simple install. You saw it on the Fiesta ST, but I'm going to show you guys now how to do it on a 2020 Honda Civic. So check it out, stay tuned, and for, how much are these, 15 bucks? For 15 bucks, stay tuned. Oh, first try, baby.
Perfect.
First try. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to show you how to get the template for these hood vents. We got some cardboard, pretty simple. We're very familiar with cardboard on this channel. We do a lot of DIY stuff, so we got a cardboard template right here. You made it up to the back, so if you come close, I'll show you. If you can tell here, since these are drop-in, you got to outline to the inside of this lip here, right there. So outline to the outside of that, and then you'll see it's obviously not as big as that because you don't want to cut a hole as big as the outside. God. So cut to that and kind of follow the outline of your template there, and then you'll have what looks like this, and you'll be able to start mocking it up. Get your template, that's the first thing. I recommend cutting 2 of these so you can kind of measure back and forth. And right now we're going to throw this on the hood and we're going to line them up, and I'll show you guys a little bit of tips and tricks how to get these lined up and make them look good. Alright, so to get the template, guys, you're going to want to tape off your hood, the area where your rough estimate of where the vent is going to go. So take some big fat painter's tape and lay them out where you want to put those vents. Alright, so we got the measurements lined up for you guys, so you can skip this step. This is the hardest part of the whole thing, in my opinion. So we got everything measured out for you guys. What we did is we got a center line, and then once we have a center line, we can base every measurement off the center line and the top of the hood. So basically, if you come in here, we got our center line from this. This is our center line right here, the right side of this tape. So from this point right here, where it lines up with your hood and follows it, you'll see where it comes down to. This point right here, measure over, and that's gonna be 16 3/4. And from the top to get the center line, measure the right side of your hood, come straight across, and measure 30 inches. And that's gonna be your center line right here. It's gonna line up with the top rectangle, that little ball there, inside on your dash. Now what we did here was we have our center line. We got all our measurements right here, 14.5 over from the top to the center line. On the bottom, we got 13 inches over to the center line. Right here, 3 1/8 inches and 3 1/8 inches, so you can get it parallel. And then from the top, follow the line of your hood vent up to the top of your hood, and that's about 8 inches. Take this, move that onto the other side, copy it exactly the same, and then you'll have the exact measurements of where you need to put your hood vents, and everything should be square. Might take a couple tries, but that's all right. It's not that difficult now that I gave you guys all the measurements, so you're welcome. And if you need these right here, I'm gonna drop a picture right here so you guys can screenshot this. So the next step, we're gonna trace out these hood vents with a Sharpie. And a little piece of advice, don't go wide. You don't wanna cut too big. If anything, you wanna make your line, and then when you're cutting, cut inside of that Sharpie line, because you can always cut away more, you can't add. So you can make sure you have enough to rivet into. But right now, let's trace this out. So we got the vents mocked up there. That's kind of what they're gonna look like. All right, so next step is we're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna set up a football or a soccer ball or whatever under here so you can keep it down, and we're gonna start chopping into this thing. How do you feel about chopping into your hood of your Honda?
I'm nervous, but I'm ready.
You're ready. This is a big step in your life.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's do this. Want me to hold your hand?
Yes.
Oh!
Even on the right
some work
side,
on this thing, I can
on the left.
see. All right, you got some
Deca.
Triquette. All right, nice. Just like that. One and done, baby, just like that. Now we're gonna take the tape off. We're gonna line them up. We got our rivets ready, and we're gonna start installing these things. Ooh. Hood vents are placed in a spot. So next thing we gotta do is drill out the holes for the rivets. And what you're gonna need is some rivets, a rivet set. You can get this at Harbor Freight for a few bucks. A rivet set, and pretty sure you can get this at Harbor Freight for a few bucks as well. So rivet set and a rivet tool, and you're gonna need an 1/8 inch drill bit, and grab the 1/8 inch size from here. So you're gonna wanna do 2, 4, 6, 8 rivets in each one. Get your rivet, get your tool, place it in here, and then boom. Take it like this, push down like that till it's all the way through, and then you just squeeze it once, squeeze it again, it'll break off. Boom, rivet it on just like that. So we got a couple more to do. We're gonna bang these out, and I'll catch up with you guys after we're done. So before I show you guys the reveal how the hood vents came out, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel because there's tons more coming, and the links will be in the description to the exact hood vents that I used, and also a rivet set. And they're affiliate links, so if you buy through that link, it really supports the channel so I can keep making videos like this to help you guys out. It's much appreciated. I enjoy doing this stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the videos and get a lot out of them. So without further ado, here's how they look. Check it out.